Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to unban OmeTV on iPhone. So for this purpose, first you need to open Settings app on your mobile device. After opening Settings app, first you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected or your mobile data is turned on. Then the next thing is that your VPN is disconnected. If these all things are okay, then go to App Store and in the search bar, you simply need to search for OmeTV. Once this page will appear, here you can see this OmeTV app. Here you can see this app is already installed. You just need to update it. If this method isn't working, then what you need to do, delete OmeTV app from your mobile device. Once you delete OmeTV app, then reinstall it in your mobile device. There's another way is that go to Google and in the search bar, you simply need to search for OmeTV. Then go to official website of OmeTV. Once you are here on this Ome.tv official website, you simply need to scroll down. At the bottom, you can see this contacts option. Click on it. In contacts, you have this contact@Ome.tv. You simply need to click on it. Then this page will appear. Here choose mail or Gmail by your own choice. I click on Gmail. Then here you need to enter the complaint which you have about OmeTV app or anything else which you want to add here. Like here I add, I get banned on OmeTV without any reason. Once you enter it, then you need to compose email and send it to contact@Ome.tv. In 24 hours, they will contact you and tell you that why you get banned on OmeTV. So these are some different and easiest ways to get unbanned from OmeTV. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.